How to fix Snapchat error code c14b. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Snapchat error code c14b. Now, before getting into the solution, let's understand what the problem actually is. Now, what does c14b mean? Now, the Snapchat error code c14b usually indicates a problem with logging into your account. To fix it, you can try clearing the Snapchat cache. Also, make sure that you are updated to the latest version and restart your device after you have updated and attempt to log in from another device. If these steps don't work, it might be a temporary account lock, in which case you can try to unlock it through Snapchat's support website. You can also contact Snapchat support directly for assistance. You can try and clear the cache. To clear the cache, you can open up Snapchat, head over to Profile, tap on Settings, scroll down, and here you should be able to find the option Clear Data, and from here you can clear the cache. Now don't worry, you won't lose any data or details of your account, but this will reset the application and remove any glitches or bugs. After this, you want to go ahead and check for the update and update it. Once you have done so, go ahead and restart the device and you should be good to go. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.